Let's make Bulgaria. Go right here and left by one, two, up by one, left, up, left right by one, up, right by one, left by two, up, left by one, two, down, left by one, down, left by one, down by two, up, left by one, down by six. Go right here and bam, and then bam, and go you this towards you here will be to the forward. Okay, let's go to right here and let's continue to black hole. This is the fastest ever recorded. And then fill that. And let's fill the center. Bam! This is Bulgaria and this is your entire map. Let's see Romania, Moldova. Okay, bye!